Brace yourself. Better pass up anytime now. Collect yourself. Things will never be the same in a sad, sad world. Walk around the light a bit, trying to make the pieces fit to a puzzle with a million missing pieces. When I'm feeling fine is when I discover that I'm afraid to blow my cover, and there's something very wrong with this. So slip back in your hole.
Welcome everyone, good to be with you today. At several different points in this course there will be assignments where I don't think I ever require it, at least not as of February 2nd, 2024, but there'll be assignments where you have an option that includes making a video, usually having a conversation with some of your classmates, sort of a little mini round table. And then, of course, for me to grade that, I've got to be able to see the video, and the simplest way to do that, there are others, but the simplest way to do that is for you to upload the video to YouTube. I had a couple of students this morning in this class who are working on a video for the class, and they've asked me to walk through how one uploads to YouTube and how to sort of to balance your need to be able to share it with me with also your desire for privacy and security. So I'm going to walk you through that for the next couple of minutes. So the first thing I did is I made a sample YouTube video, or a sample video that we're going to be uploading to YouTube. So let's just watch this very incredibly insightful video. Hey, Mr. Childers here. I'm here with Angelica, a constant nuisance and plague to me and to my class in this room. And I'm recording this 20-second video just as an example because I'm going to walk you through how to upload videos to YouTube. So yes, obviously, you know, the world needs to see that. You know, that is a video that has something to say. But maybe I want not the whole world to be able to see it, but only those members of the world that I choose. So here's how you do this. First, unsurprisingly, you go to YouTube.com. If you've got a YouTube account, log into your account. If you've got a Gmail or any other account, you've got a YouTube account. You may not know that, but they are. You don't? Spencer's shaking his head. Why are you shaking your head? If you've got a Gmail account, you've got a... Stop it. People need to use this. If you've got a Google account, you've got a YouTube account. If you don't have a Google account, you can set one up for free. I don't need to walk you through that. So here we are on YouTube. The layout may look different if you're using your telephone, but all the features should be there. So there's a plus symbol here. It says Create. Click on that. Select Upload Video. Select Files. So the file I want to upload is in my Downloads folder on my desktop. Yours will be wherever you put it. So we're opening that. And it will begin to upload. And because it was so short and the internet's running well, the upload is already complete. Yours will take longer because I don't believe I'll ever assign you a 20-second YouTube video. You can title the video whatever you want. So I'm going to title mine Sample YouTube Video Gavin Sucks. It will require you to type a description. Gavin sucks for real, guys, is our description. It will give you the option to upload a thumbnail, what people will see. Only worry about that if you're interested, because it will automatically choose a thumbnail, and especially if you're only sharing it with me in this class and you're not looking to become an influencer through your ethics assignment. See how it's automatically popped up. But let's say you did want to choose a thumbnail. Click Upload Thumbnail, and I've chosen a portable bathroom on fire, sort of a metaphor, if you visual metaphor. You can choose to add it to a playlist. That's a little more than I think you'll need to, that you'll be interested in for me, but you're able to create playlists right there. If a playlist doesn't exist, you can make one right there. I'm not adding this particular video to any playlist. Yeah, I'm going to add it to themes and Greek vase painting just to mess with people. So now this is on the themes and Greek vase painting playlist. It's going to require you to answer this question. Is this video made for kids? You want to select no, because YouTube isn't talking about people under the age of 18. YouTube is talking about children. People under the age of 11 or 10 is how they describe it. And they're more restrictive, obviously, with that kind of content. And you may be this is an ethics course. So you may well be discussing themes that you wouldn't discuss with an 7, 8, 9, or 10-year-old in this class, so be sure to select no. It won't let you move on if you haven't made a selection. Age restriction, there is no reason for you to ever be uploading anything from my class that would require an age restriction label. If you need more information on that, ask somebody else. The video elements screen, that is almost certainly more complex than you will need for anything in my class. I upload tons of YouTube videos, and I've played with this screen like twice. So we can just skip past that. It will run a check for copyrighted.
Good morning, This is a reminder that Valentine's Day grants are going
I don't know. I don't.
So if you're interested, please go to room 104 during second period right now.
All right. For videos that are longer than 20 seconds, this can take a few minutes, and that's okay. So you just, if there's a copyright issue, it will tell you. I don't expect there to be copyright issues in any of my student project videos. Occasionally there are in mine. Visibility. So my suggestion is you go for the middle option, unlisted. Unlisted means you can share the video by providing a link to anyone that you want to, but the video will not come up in a search engine. So some creepy guy living in his mom's basement typing high school girls Florida is not going to have your video come up on YouTube. Private is more secure, but it makes it more complicated for you to share. I'm going to recommend unlisted because I will never make your videos public, but I do reserve the right in future years to share them with other students as examples of how to make videos. In my ethics class, there is not time for me to play your videos in class, so you don't have to worry about that. But unlisted will also allow you to go back and use it if you wish, some part of some sort of portfolio for college admissions or whatever. So that's my suggestion. You can then click Save. It's giving you the link where your video is going to be. You may even open that link. Don't freak out when it shows you, if it shows you a deleted video. All right, this is not. But sometimes if it's still processing, YouTube's will visually right here say video deleted. That's a glitch from the birth of YouTube 20 years ago that no one bothered to fix. Be sure you save the YouTube video, and then for our purposes, you simply copy and paste this link and send it to me when you were submitting your assignment. Let's see if it works. Hey, Mr. Childers here. I'm here with Angelica, a constant nuisance and plague to me and to my class in this room. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you upload a video to YouTube.
Walk around a lot a bit, trying to make the pieces fit to a puzzle with a million bits and pieces. When I'm feeling fine is when I discover that I'm afraid to blow my cover, and there's something very wrong with this. So sit back in your hole, or get back in your cave. If I'm going down, I'm taking someone with me.